अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल स्मार्ट स्टडी विद खलील रहमान। अॼु जो असांजी टॉपिक आहे जेकी 24 तारीख़ जो टाउन ऑफिसर जेको पेपर हुयो, अॼु असां तव्हांखे हल कराईंदासीं 1 बाय 1 MCQs। ऐं हे जेके बि MCQs आहिनि SPSc में, त उहे तक़रीबन मोस्टली ज़्यादातर MCQs रिपीटेड थींदा पिया मुख़्तलिफ़ टेस्टुनि में। पोइ जेके बि टेस्टूं आहिनि उहे तक़रीबन उहे मुख़्तलिफ़ जेको आहे टेस्टुनि में वरी साॻा ई सेम MCQs जेको आहे रिपीट थियनि पिया। उन जे करे असांखे तमामु वधीक फोकस करिणो पवंदो। ऐं SPSC में जेको टाउन ऑफिसर जी पोस्ट हुई उन में तक़रीबन जेको आहे रिपीटेड MCQs एवरेज साइंस में तमामु घणा आया। असां स्टार्ट कंदासीं MCQs नंबर 1 खां। एंटोनियो गुटेरेस इज़ अ डेश सेक्रेटरी जनरल ऑफ द यूनाइटेड नेशंस। राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी 9th। MCQs नंबर 2, नेम द थर्ड प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ पाकिस्तान। ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज द राइट आंसर, मोहम्मद अली बोगरा। MCQs number 3, what is the contribution of agriculture to GDP of Pakistan? 3, D is the right answer, 23%. MCQs number 4, who will host the 2026 Football World Cup? Option number B is the right answer, Canada, USA and Mexico. MCQs number 5, name the hardest part of the human body. A is the right answer, enamel of teeth, right answer. MCQs number 6, study of development of human race is known as anthropology. A is the right answer. MCQs number 7, what are the crystal bodies? Ceres, Pallas, Juno, Vesta are the asteroids. C is the right answer. MCQs number 8, how much percentage of the world population lives in Asia? A is the right answer, 62%. MCQs number 9, what was Maulana Ubaidullah Sindhi name before the converted to Islam? B is the right answer, Bhutta Singh Bhopal. MCQs number 10, which number system uses only digit 0 and 1? Binary system. B is the right answer. MCQs number 11, full name of Hazrat Shahbaz Qalandar was Hazrat Osman Marwandi. B is the right answer. MCQs number 12, what percentage of foreign remittance from Saudi Arabia and the Gulf? 46. C is the right answer. Third coal deposits are known to be a second largest in the world. Is the right answer. B is the right answer. MCQs number 14, how is Pakistan economy rated is currently? C is the right answer, developing. 15 MCQs, what is the meant by VTI? D is the right answer, vocational training institute. 16 MCQs, what does a thermostat do? D option is the right answer, regulate temperature. 17 number MCQs, which country in Europe is now where higher than 570 feet above the sea level? Is D option is the right answer, Denmark. 18 MCQs, what is the primary hindrance in the export faced by Pakistan? D is the right answer, lack of investment. MCQs number 19, what is the common name for the condition myopia? A is the right answer, short-sightedness. 20 MCQs, while going toward the center of earth, the weight of body shall be decreased. B is the right answer. MCQs number 21, which is the greenhouse gas among the following? Carbon dioxide, methane, nitrogen oxide. D is the right answer, all of these. 22 MCQs, which one is not a vestigial organ of human being? Appendix, coccyx या eyelids, all of this. C is the right answer, eyelids. 23 MCQs, work of pituitary glands in the human body. A is the right answer, control several other hormone glands. 24 MCQs, during winter in cold countries, the dash is mixed to the melt the ice on the icy roads. Salt is used for icy roads. A is the right answer, salt. 25 MCQs, the lifespan of white blood cell is 5 to 21 days. D is the right answer. ऐं जेको असांजो जेको रेड ब्लड सेल्स हुन तक़रीबन लाइफ डेज जेके हुआ 120 days आहे. 26 MCQs, who bought a Bitcoin cryptocurrency for $1.5 billion worth? Is a Tesla company, Elon Musk. 27 MCQs, dash become the first country in the world to start administering in citizens with a fully trialed and test COVID-19 vaccine. D is the right answer, United Kingdom. MCQ number 28. The World Wide Web was invented by Tim Berners-Lee is the right answer. 29 MCQs. Which country is also called Land of Midnight Sun? Norway is the right answer. MCQ number 30. The Jeju Islands, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is located in South Korea. D is the right answer. 31 MCQs. The name of Lebanon Parliament is the Majlis-e-Nawab. A is the right answer. 32 MCQs. The War of Independence of America was fought against Britain. A is the right answer. 33 MCQs. Which country is called the buffer state of Asia? A is the right answer. Afghanistan. 34 MCQs. G15 is the economic group of developing countries. A is the right answer. 35 MCQs. Cathay Pacific is the airline of Hong Kong. B is the right answer. 36 MCQs. Golan Heights belongs to Syria. A is the right answer. 37 MCQs. The oldest monarchy in the world is Japan. 37 MCQs. 38 MCQs. Which is the greatest archipelago on the globe? Indonesia is the right answer. Also called Land of Islands. Indonesia is also called Land of Islands. 39 MCQs. Interpol is headquartered at Lyon. D is the right answer. Lyon, France. 40 MCQs. The Indus Valley Civilization furnished during the 25 to 100 BC. B is the right answer. 3000 to 1500 BC. 41 MCQs. The synonyms of the vituperate is abuse. A is the right answer. 42 MCQs. Synonyms of the precarious is perilous. C is the right answer. 43 MCQs. The synonyms of the snowy ghoster is unprincipled politicians. A is the right answer. 44 MCQs. Synonyms of the cajole is flattery. A is the right answer. Antonyms of the doleful is vivacious. A is the right answer. Antonym of the crescent, active. B is the right answer. MCQs number 47. Antonym of the ostentatious is D. Unpretentious is D is the right answer. 40 MCQs. Antonyms of the gorgeous is A. Desperate. A is the right answer. 49 MCQs. The idiom to get cold feet means to be afraid. D is the right answer. 50 MCQs. The idiom a fool is around means an impossible task. ये सब MCQs हुआ जेके तव्हां सां डिस्कस कयासीं जेको 24 तारीख़ जी टेस्ट हुई उन में ऐं जेके बि ॿियूं टेस्टूं आहिनि इंशाअल्लाह उहो तव्हांखे असां डे बाय डे हल कराईंदासीं ऐं जेको